Hi, I'm Dr. Jon Evans with ProTailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the best way to fix your IT band syndrome, also known as runner's knee. Rolling out your IT bands with a foam roller is a great way to get it to loosen up. So all you do is you lie on your side, support yourself with your left forearm if it's your left leg, your right leg, your unaffected leg is bent on top, and all you start doing is rolling up and down. You do this for a total of 2 to 3 minutes, so working out those tender spots. The next phase of it, instead of rolling up and down, is you're actually rolling forward and backwards. If you're not feeling much tenderness, you move on to the next spot. Keep going back and forth. Do that a total of 2 to 3 minutes. It works really well at loosening up that tension. Rolling out your IT bands is not meant to be comfortable. If it feels comfortable, then you're probably doing it wrong. This is another one of my favorite exercises to loosen up the hip. Simply what you do is you take your impacted leg, you throw it up on your countertop, your dining room table, the side of your couch, and you're leaning over your leg, and you should feel a nice big pull in the back of your hip. You shouldn't feel any pain in your groin or in your knee. Simply what you're doing is leaning forward and holding it for 30 seconds and doing it 3 times in a row. All right, guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.